When we are hot, blood flows in capillaries increase because blood vessels to the skin capillaries get wider. Now, this is known as vasodilation. So, the hair erector muscle will relax and heat loss by radiation. So, the sweat glands will obviously excrete sweat, which controls the skin as it evaporates, and the vessels will dilate. Now, this is known as vasodilation. This cools the body as blood is flowing at a faster rate through the skin surface, and so more heat is lost by radiation. Then we have response in the skin when it is cold. So when we are cold, blood flow in the capillaries slows down because the arterioles leading to the skin capillaries get narrower, and the arteries they are constricted, and this is known as vasoconstriction. Now, this reduces the amount of heat loss from blood by radiation as less blood flows through the surface of the skin. And the hair erector muscles will contract and air is trapped inside. Now, air is basically an excellent insulator, so this will keep us warm.